another one. So this is my third video of ChatGTP, assisting us in Google Ads, and this one I'm gonna do live. So I'm gonna rewrite this Google Ads landing page copy. I Googled, clicked on that ad, and saw this paragraph. So now I'm gonna go in here and paste it and see what it spits out. Our practice, we're specializing in dental emergencies quickly and effectively. We see more emergency in a month. I made it a year. Nice. Gives us expertise to find. Nice. So basically, it spit out something about the same size of what I give it, input it. Let's see if it can expand on that. Write 100 words more and include a call to action. So let's make it a little bit longer and put a call to action and see what happens. Sometimes ChatGTP does this, takes a little long, and I think they're upgrading their servers or whatever, which is fine, but there you go. Don't let dental pain ruin your day at our practice. You see, you want to go in and make changes here, like at our practice, put your company name at blah blah blah, whatever your client's name is. Stick it in there because that will raise your quality score and how your page relates to the ad and things like that. So is that it? Looks like it's still thinking or whatever, but we offer same day appointments. Patients obviously make sure that what it's saying is true and your client offers that. Plus, we'll make sure you're treated with respect and care. Don't wait to call us now. Nice. Call to action there and everything. Another thing you could do as well that I've done is include company name. So ABC Dental, and then also and phone number. So we'll put like 000 dash 000 000. And now we should have like pretty much copy and paste. Oh, it's still thinking. That's unfortunate. Let me pause the video and I will come back once it's done. Alright, it seemed to have finished. Didn't add or change anything else. Took about 30 seconds more. But let's see if we can send this now. Beautiful. I think that's a good solid piece of content to put on a landing page, below the fold, just as something that Google Ads can analyze and read, and hopefully give you a higher quality score at the same time. It's good 3 questions and 2 modifications and 1 copy and paste. Gotta love it. Hopefully this helps you guys. Stay tuned till next video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.